If you know how to freak a wig, you can make this work. Y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like this video and subscribe down below for more videos like this. But today, guess what? Another company sent me a wig, UNice Hair to be exact, and this will be my first time installing a closure wig. So do not come for me because this is my first time. But we're going to get started with this review. Do not mind my hair. My hair is dirty. It is dirty. And I do not care. So first, I'm just going to slick my hair back. I don't feel like braiding. So I'm just going to like just brush my hair back, to be honest. And then I'm going to put a wig cap on. Then I'm going to show y'all what this wig is, what it came with, you know, all that good stuff. I'm going to review the wig. FYI, just because this hair was sent to me does not mean this is not going to be an honest review, because I got some stuff to show y'all. And me being a beginner, like, maybe some people don't know what stuff to look out for, but if something don't look right to me, something don't look right to me. I think me being a beginner, like, a lot of stuff I may miss, but it's like, if it doesn't look right, then it doesn't look right. So I'm just gonna braid this up real quick. I'm gonna put this wig cap on. Again, this is my first time doing this, so do not come for me, because some of y'all really do be coming for me in the comments. And the whole point of these videos is to have somebody who literally has no experience with wigs like that put wigs on to see if, like, it's easy or not. You know what I'm saying? I mean, of course it's not easy, but I personally like wigs that are beginner friendly, because I'm not skilled like that. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, we got this braid together. Let's put this wig cap on. This is a wig cap that I have used, so do not judge by the fact that it may have foundation on it. Ooh, okay. I know y'all probably like, why she got that braid swung around her head? Because last time, I don't know, I've just been experimenting, okay? I think it's flat enough. Okay, let me show y'all this wig. So I have the wig, and I just looked on my phone. This wig is the 16-inch 4x4 closure wig body wave. Okay, so the knots didn't come bleach, and I tried to bleach it. Again, I'm a beginner, so I could have bleached it wrong, but the knots, like, weren't really taking the bleach. Like, I was bleaching 3 other wigs. That was my first time bleaching. I was bleaching 3 other wigs, and they all bleached, you know, but this one just was not taking it for some reason. So again, I could be doing it wrong, so I'm just putting it out there. Secondly, I tried to pluck. Again, I'm a beginner, so it's not the best, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the wig and let me know what you think in the comments. So I got it, I washed it after bleaching it, and look how scraggly, let me not say scraggly, look how just, I don't know how to explain it, like, oh shoot, it's just not giving. Like, it's very thin. It's very thin. That's one thing I did not like. It's thin. I don't know if you can see, but it's like really choppy. It's really choppy. Yeah. You can't see it, but It's like little short hairs everywhere. I'm gonna be honest. Like, do I have to say a lot? It's thin at the ends. So, it's thin at the ends, and I had to do some work to it. So, would I say it's beginner friendly? No. Not at all. But, I'm going to put it on my head to kind of show y'all, like, how thin it is. So, I'm still going to give it a chance. What I'm going to do is, I am going to cut it. I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to style it. I personally do not like it straight. It's very choppy, like a whole bunch of hairs stick out. But I feel like if I curl it, you know what I'm saying? Like if I cut it, maybe layer it and curl it, I can rock with it. So let me put it on real quick. By the way, it comes with lace in the back. It has 2 clips in the front and 1 in the back. So I'm gonna put it on and I'm gonna show y'all. It does fit nicely on my head. I'm gonna clip it on the side. So this is what it's giving. It's not horrible, you know what I'm saying? It's not horrible. A lot of people don't zoom in on this part. I'm letting you know right now, you're going to have to bleach the knots. Again, like I said, I tried to bleach the knots. Didn't work out for me. But let me show y'all this. Let me stand up. Like, it's just, no. You know what I'm saying? Very much, So, off camera, I'm going to cut this. And I'm going to curl it. And then I'm going to come back and we're going to install it together. So, I'm not losing hope yet. You know what I'm saying? So, just give me a second. Okay, y'all. I'm back. And so, because it was so thin, I had to cut it. Do not come from... Look. I had to cut the ends thin, and I had to cut the ends because the ends were thin. And yeah, don't come for my cutting skills. It's not good, but it is a lot better now that I cut it. And I'm actually going to curl it because I don't think it looks that good straight. So first I'm going to install it, and then I'm going to curl it to show y'all, like, if it could take heat, because who knows. So I'm gonna do that thing where people like put then we're gonna see, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Yikes. Okay. I think what I've seen people do is like put more powder over it. So I'm just going to put some powder over this, I guess. I mean, I feel like you can still see it. But then again, like, when I be looking at people, like, on YouTube and stuff, like, they be wearing filters and stuff, and they don't get close to the camera. But, it's not, I mean, this is not HD laced. I guess I could try to lay some baby hairs. I'm not really into the baby hair wave. So maybe if I lay some baby hairs, it'll be less visible. But I feel like if I put baby hairs right here, it's just going to mess up the whole vibe. But honestly, people do it, so let's see. Like everyone's else, but I just want it to be like real, you know what I'm saying? Like everybody will be on here and it'll be like, you'll think it's like literally nothing showing. And I don't want to give that impression at all. Like I want to show like the real, you know, what it looks like with no filter, no. Everything looks a little better. We'll see, y'all. Okay. Hey, y'all. I'm back. Third attempt. Let's see what it's looking like. I hope this looks good. I already know it's going to look good with a filter, but like... Okay, most definitely the curls dropped like almost immediately. Yeah. I mean, it's, for it being my first time, I don't think it's horrible. Yeah, I don't think it's horrible. Let me scoot back and show y'all. I mean, for my first time, I don't think I did too bad. Like, of course, there's a lot of stuff I have to work on. Comes with time and practice, but I think it's kind of cute. I mean, I do not wear wigs. I mean, I wear wigs, but I haven't reached the point where I'm like confident enough to like wear them out. But I would wear this. I would wear it. I would wear it. Now to sum up the hair, like for the hair, I like it. When I cut it, I had a 16-inch. I don't know how long this could be. For the hair experts, maybe y'all can guesstimate. But when I cut it, like, it's a lot fuller. It does take a curl, but as y'all saw, like, the curl dropped. I feel like if I curled it and, like, kept, you know, like, flexurizing or something, hairsprayed it or something, it would, you know, keep the curl maybe. You can definitely see the lace, of course. it's a wig, like you're gonna see the lace, but from afar, I mean, I think it looks, you know what I'm saying, I think it looks good. Me adding the curl in it added like some texture, some fluffiness. Like I said, probably me touching it is causing it to drop more, but I like it. Like, it adds, like, you know, some volume to it. It makes it look like thicker than what it actually is, which is good. What else? What else about this hair? It's soft. My only complaint would be is that it came thin. The 16-inch was really thin. That's my only complaint. Other than that, like I said, for those who know how to do wigs and stuff, I'm pretty sure y'all could freak this wig. Like, I'm pretty sure y'all could, like, make this work. For my beginners, I'm a beginner, you know what I'm saying? I don't think it looks that bad for it to be my first install. This is a good wig to practice on if you want to practice something. That's about it. I mean, it takes heat, but like I said, if you know how to freak a wig, you can make this work. All the information for this wig will be down below in the description box. But again, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching me attempt to install a closure wig, 4x4 body wave by myself, cut it and curl it. I mean, let me know what y'all think in the comments, and give me some tips for what I could do better, because companies are sending me wigs, and you know, this is good practice. So thank you for tuning in. I hope you liked it. Again, the link is down in the description box, and I'll see y'all next video. Bye.